Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 5th of May 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, we've got a triple X signal here at 2:35, which is 5 minutes after the market open, which is a valid signal. We then see the market trading all the way up to the 18,100 and then continuing on through this with this new professional buying here and moving all the way up to a high of 18,132, and that is the range for the day. It's a bank holiday in the UK. The US market was open, and like I've said for the last several weeks, the first hour is the busiest hour, and there you can see it was all done and dusted, and from this point forward the market just traded in a range of around 40 to 50 points. So again, having made the money in the first hour, bank holiday, no more economic news after the factory orders, I think it was, let me just check, they came out as forecast. Yeah, factory orders 2.1, they were forecast at, and they came out at precisely that. And then just before the afternoon session gets into its sideways move, there was a potential signal, but like I said, if you made the money in the first hour or so, then especially on a bank holiday, you might as well go and enjoy the sunshine or do something else. But if you didn't, there was a PTI, and the market came back and took this out for 20 points. And then again we had another triple X there, where we see the market trade back up to the 18,001, all on low volume, so prices just being moved around. So the money made back once more on this trade, and then we've got another PTI where the market is stopped out for another 18, so the money's given back again, and then the money is handed back once more. So it was a case of win one, lose one, win one, lose one, win one. So considering it was fairly quiet, it wasn't a bad day, but it was sort of a give and take situation there. So again, just to reiterate that sometimes if you've made the money on a quiet day or a bank holiday or within the first hour, and you're happy with that, then take the money, and if not, come back later on in the session and see if there's a signal as well. But again, got to keep in mind that we only had two medium impact news items yesterday. I think it was Evans that was speaking yesterday, if I recall. It was, and that was at around the 5ish, so you can see there the market reacting to his comments thereafter, market moving up and then coming back to where it traded. But again, you can see a narrow range between the psychological levels there of only 50 points. Okay, let's have a look at the daily chart. You can see there the market up for yesterday, finding resistance to the left there. If we just have a look at the 0% extension, there you can see resistance there. Market coming off the highs, of course, before the close and sideways today. Let's just have a quick look at today's economic news, see if things are liveling up a bit. 1:30 pre-market, we've got trade balance figures. These are forecast to be minus 41 from a previous of 35, so that will certainly be interesting. And ISM non-manufacturing PMI is forecast at 56.2, previous 56.5, but the trade balance figures will be an interesting one for the market at 1:30, and of course that will already be factored in by the time the market opens at 2:30. On the implied volatility front, Friday saw the market trade down to 1182. Let's just refresh. We're up to 1210 for Monday's session, but the blue line still below the implied volatility is what we want to see for this market to move, or the underlying market to move back to the upside there. Right, that's it from me for today. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support. Genuinely appreciate it, and also for watching. See you in the next one.